Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today we're learning possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. Possessive pronouns help you avoid repeating nouns.
And they make you sound more natural immediately. Instead of saying, this is my phone, you can say, this is mine.
But learners often mix them up with possessive adjectives.
Right. My, your, his, her, our, their are possessive adjectives. They come before a noun. My phone, your bag.
Possessive pronouns are different. They replace the noun.
Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. No noun after them.
So the key idea is simple.
Possessive adjective plus noun, my phone.
Possessive pronoun without noun, mine.
Today, we'll keep it practical. We'll learn the set, practice the most common sentence patterns, and fix the classic mistakes.
Then we'll do drills and a real friend conversation with questions like, whose is this?
Here's the set with a quick mapping.
My becomes mine.
Your becomes yours.
His stays his.
Her becomes hers.
Our becomes ours.
Their becomes theirs.
Notice something important. His is both an adjective and a pronoun.
His phone is new. That is his.
Same word, different job in the sentence.
Another important point. These words do not change for plural.
This is mine. These are mine. The noun can be singular or plural, but the pronoun stays the same.
Great. Now let's start with the most common pattern in real life.
This is mine. That is yours.
And then we will add whose questions because that is where possessive pronouns appear constantly.
Let's build the basic sentences. Repeat out loud if you can.
This is mine.
This is yours.
That is his.
That is hers.
This is ours.
That is theirs.
Now we make it more real with objects people actually talk about.
This phone is mine.
That charger is yours.
This seat is ours.
That table is theirs.
Notice we can use the pronoun after a noun phrase too.
This phone is mine. That jacket is his.
It sounds natural because we're answering the question, whose phone is it?
Now let's connect it to the adjective version.
My phone is on the table. It's mine.
Your dog is here. It's yours.
His keys are missing. They're his.
Her notebook is open. It's hers.
Our plan is ready. It's ours.
Their car is outside. It's theirs.
Great. Now the classic mistake. People say, it's my.
That is incomplete in English. You need a noun after my. It's my phone. Or you need the pronoun. It's mine.
So you either say, it's my phone, or you say, it's mine. You cannot stop at my.
Another classic mistake is this is my phone.
That is wrong because mine does not go before a noun.
Correct is this is my phone.
Or this phone is mine.
Let's do a quick choose drill. I will say the sentence and you choose my or mine, your or yours, and so on.
Sentence 1. This is phone.
My. This is my phone.
Sentence 2. This phone is.
Mine. This phone is mine.
Sentence 3. Is this bag?
Your. Is this your bag?
Sentence 4. Yes, it's.
Yours. Yes, it's yours.
Perfect. Now we move to the most useful question word for this lesson. Whose?
Because once you can ask whose, you can use these words in real situations fast.
Let's learn the question patterns with whose.
The two most common are whose phone is this and whose is this.
Whose phone is this?
It's mine.
Whose bag is that?
It's yours.
Whose jacket is this?
It's his.
Whose seat is that?
It's hers.
Now with plural.
Whose keys are these?
They're ours.
Whose tickets are those?
They're theirs. Notice the grammar.
Whose plus noun plus to be.
Whose keys are these?
Then you answer with the pronoun. They're ours.
You can also answer with a name plus apostrophe S, but that is another lesson.
Today we keep the answers simple. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
Now let's make it more natural. In real life, people often say, "Is this yours?"
Or are these yours?
Right, that is super common.
Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. Wait, that sounds wrong.
Careful. If someone asks you, "Is this yours?" you answer, "Yes, it's mine," or "Yes, it is, it's mine."
Great catch, because yours is for the other person.
Exactly. So let's practice that.
Is this yours?
No, it isn't. It's hers.
Are these yours?
Yes, they are. They're mine.
Another useful pattern is it's not mine.
People say that all the time in lost and found situations.
It's not mine. It might be yours.
It's not ours, it's theirs.
Perfect. Now we should slow down and make sure everyone knows the full set clearly, because learners sometimes forget hers and theirs.
Yes, and we'll also show the difference between her and hers, their and theirs with easy examples. Quick clarity. Her is an adjective. Hers is a pronoun.
Her phone. The phone is hers.
There is an adjective. Theirs is a pronoun.
Their car. The car is theirs.
Our is an adjective. Ours is a pronoun.
Our table. The table is ours.
Your is an adjective. Yours is a pronoun.
Your seat. The seat is yours.
Let's do fast pairs.
Her jacket. The jacket is hers.
Their house. The house is theirs.
Our plan. The plan is ours.
Your coffee. The coffee is yours.
Great. Now his is special.
His phone. The phone is his. Same word, two roles.
Now let's build longer, natural sentences because real speaking is not only short lines.
Right, you want to connect ideas.
This is mine, but that one is yours.
This seat is ours, so that seat is theirs.
I think this jacket is his because he wore a black one earlier.
This notebook is hers because her name is on the first page.
Notice a very common explanation word, because.
People often use possessive pronouns with a reason. It's mine because I bought it.
It's yours because you left it here.
It's his because he said he lost it.
It's hers because she always uses that color.
Another very common pattern is a friend of mine.
Yes, it sounds advanced, but it's simple.
A friend of mine means one of my friends.
A coworker of yours means one of your coworkers.
A neighbor of theirs means one of their neighbors.
Let's do a few.
A friend of mine recommended this cafe.
A friend of yours works here, right?
A cousin of hers lives in this city.
A colleague of his told me about it.
Great. That pattern is optional, but it helps you sound natural.
Now we'll do a drill that forces you to choose the correct form quickly. That removes hesitation.
Now, speed drill. I'll say the sentence. You choose the correct word.
We'll do it slowly first, then faster.
This is phone.
My. This is my phone.
This phone is.
Mine. This phone is mine.
Is that jacket?
Your. Is that your jacket?
Yes, it's.
Yours. Yes, it's yours.
That is bag. Talking about a man.
His. That is his bag.
That bag is.
His. That bag is his.
This is notebook. Talking about a woman.
Her. This is her notebook.
This notebook is.
Hers. This notebook is hers.
Those are seats. Talking about us.
Our. Those are our seats.
Those seats are.
Ours. Those seats are ours.
Those are tickets. Talking about them.
There. Those are their tickets.
Those tickets are.
Theirs. Those tickets are theirs.
Great. Now let's turn it into real questions. Is this yours?
No, it isn't. It's hers.
Are these yours?
Yes, they are. They're mine.
Whose is this?
It's his.
Whose are these?
They're ours. Now we do conversation practice. The best context for this is lost and found.
Because in real life, you ask, is this yours? And you answer, no, it's not mine.
We'll make it fun, like two friends in a cafe plus a small misunderstanding.
And we'll include, ha, so it feels like real talk.
Conversation time. Two friends at a cafe. There are random items on the table.
Listen for mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
Liam, is this charger yours?
Let me see. No, it's not mine. My charger is white.
Okay, so it's not yours. Whose is it then?
It might be his.
His? Which guy?
The guy who was sitting next to us earlier. He had a blocked phone.
That makes sense, but what if it's hers?
Whose?
The barista. She was charging her phone behind the counter.
Good point. We should ask. Excuse me, is this yours? And if she says no, we try someone else.
This feels like detective work.
It does, but it's good English practice.
Is this notebook yours?
No, it isn't. It's not mine.
It might be mine. Wait, let me check.
Oh no.
Yes, it is. It's mine. I forgot I brought it.
That was fast. Mystery solved.
And whose cup is this?
That one is yours. Your coffee is right there.
You're right. So this empty cup is ours now?
No, it was ours, but now it's just trash.
True.
Look at that table over there. Those seats are theirs, I think.
Yeah, their group is coming back.
Are those bags theirs too?
Probably, but I'm not touching them.
Smart.
This is how you use possessive pronouns naturally.
Short answers, quick questions, and no repeating nouns again and again.
Now, let's fix the common mistakes clearly so people stop making them.
And we'll give more practice with daily topics like family, work, and friends.
Common mistakes and clean corrections.
Wrong sentence, then the natural sentence.
Wrong. It's my.
Correct. It's my phone. Or it's mine.
Wrong. This is mine phone.
Correct. This is my phone. Or this phone is mine.
Wrong. That is her. If you mean the object belongs to her and there's no noun.
Correct. That is hers.
Wrong. Those are there.
Correct. Those are theirs.
Wrong. Is this your?
Correct. Is this yours?
Wrong. Are these your?
Correct. Are these yours?
Great. Now, another confusion is mixing yours and mine in answers.
If someone asks, is this yours, and you answer, yes, it's yours, you are giving it to the other person.
Exactly. If it belongs to you, you say, yes, it's mine.
Now let's build a simple mental map.
Mine equals it belongs to me.
Yours equals it belongs to you.
His equals it belongs to him.
Hers equals it belongs to her.
Ours equals it belongs to us.
Theirs equals it belongs to them.
Another useful correction is this. People say, this is a friend of me.
Correct is a friend of mine.
Or, this is my friend.
Both are correct, but a friend of mine is a nice natural option.
Great. Now we'll expand with practice sentences that include family and work, because you talk about people's things all the time.
And we'll include questions like, is this yours? Plus answers like, it's his.
After that, we'll do a longer drill that feels like a real conversation, not like a test.
Perfect. Let's keep going. Practical sentences for family and work.
Repeat out loud if you can. This photo is mine.
That photo is yours.
That idea is hers.
That decision was his.
These responsibilities are ours.
Those problems are theirs.
That sentence feels too real.
Unfortunately.
At work, this task is mine.
That task is yours.
That project is theirs.
This plan is ours.
With family, this room is mine.
That room is his.
Those toys are theirs.
This chair is yours.
Now questions.
Is this yours?
No, it isn't. It's hers.
Is that his?
Yes, it is. It's his.
Are these yours?
No, they aren't. They're theirs.
Are those ours?
Yes, they are. They're ours. Great. Now, the pattern, I think it's mine, is very common.
Because you are not always sure.
I think it's mine.
I don't think it's yours.
It might be his.
It could be hers.
It's probably theirs.
These phrases help you sound natural and polite.
Because in real life, you often guess.
Now we'll do a longer conversation about planning a weekend.
That lets us use mine, yours, ours, theirs in a more natural flow.
And we'll include a quick moment with whose questions again, because that connects everything.
Let's do it. Now, longer conversation. Two friends planning a weekend, sharing items, and talking about friends.
Listen for possessive pronouns used naturally.
Liam, are you bringing a speaker for the picnic?
I can, but mine is old. Is yours better?
Mine is small, but it's loud.
That's perfect. Small but loud.
What about blankets?
I have one, but I think it's my sister's. It's not mine.
Okay, so bring yours if you can, and I'll bring mine.
Are we inviting Sarah?
Yes, but her schedule is crazy. If she comes, the snacks are hers.
Deal.
And what about that board game? Is it yours?
No, it isn't. It's his.
His who?
My friend Daniel. He left it at my place.
So it's his, not yours.
Exactly. If I bring it, I need to return it.
Good. I don't want to lose his game.
Whose car are we using?
Mine. My car is free on Saturday.
Great, then parking is yours too.
Wow, thanks.
What about the drinks?
The drinks are ours. We'll split it.
Perfect. And if other people join, the mess is theirs.
That sounds fair.
By the way, is this jacket yours?
Yes, it's mine. I almost forgot it.
See, we use these words all day without thinking.
Exactly. Once you learn the pattern, it becomes automatic.
Great. Now we'll finish with a clear recap, a strong practice challenge, and the standard ending.
Let's close it cleanly.
Final recap. Possessive pronouns replace a noun and show ownership.
Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
Possessive adjectives come before a noun.
My phone, your bag, his keys, her notebook, our plan, their car.
Possessive pronouns do not take a noun after them.
This is mine. That is yours. Those are theirs.
The most common mistakes to avoid are simple.
Do not say, it's my. Say, it's my phone or it's mine.
Do not say, this is my phone.
Say, this is my phone or this phone is mine.
And remember her versus hers, their versus theirs, our versus ours.
Her book, the book is hers. Their car, the car is theirs. Our table, the table is ours.
Practice challenge for today. Do it in 2 minutes.
Look around you and pick 10 objects. For each one, say 2 sentences.
Sentence 1 with an adjective. My keys are here.
Sentence 2 with a pronoun. They're mine.
Example. Your jacket is on the chair. It's yours.
His phone is on the table. It's his.
Her notebook is open. It's hers.
Our seats are by the window. They're ours.
Their bags are near the door. They're theirs.
Then ask 5 questions with whose.
Whose phone is this? Whose keys are these?
Answer each one with a possessive pronoun. It's mine. They're hers. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next? Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.